after all these adjustments, I go back to start up, and the next step is pre-location also, but we use now RM full feature. That means arc reflection modes, we use the TDR to get the picture, and we use a high voltage to get a flash over and to change our high resistance fault into a 0 ohm resistance fault. Okay, let's switch it on. Adjust the output voltage. We must remember by installation test we get the information our output voltage, our breakdown voltage was less than 2 kV. So in this case it is a short kind of cable, we can adjust 4 kV. If it is a long distance cable and the breakdown voltage is much higher, you can also adjust 16 or 32. System is now preparing. Okay, now you see the same picture like in TDR. It's nothing different. You can make the same adjustments. You see the velocity is still like in TDR mode, but the pulse width has changed. Okay, let's adjust it to 140 and you see it is the same picture like before. Confirm, confirm. And now you must go into the mode store B and trigger. That means now we will memorize the health picture, the reference trace, and now we will give a shock and create a flash over and a 0 ohm resistance at the fault point. Okay, let's switch it on. System is asking me now, high voltage on. I confirm once here and with the green button here. System is now preparing, and you see automatically the next step is set voltage. Now I have to adjust the set voltage 4 kV, confirm, and if I want to give a shock now I can press thumb, and system is now preparing the output voltage. If it reaches the adjusted value we give a shock. Okay, what we see now is a very bad picture, because it's possible that the energy of our 4 kV impulse was not high enough. So one step could be now we go back into the main menu and adjust the same another output voltage up to 8 kV. Okay, for that we have to switch off the high voltage. We can do it here or directly here. System is discharging now, we have to wait. Okay, you see now everything is okay, and we go exit to startup, go back to pre-location, I'm full feature, 8 kV to get a higher output voltage. And now you see we have to adjust the same things like before. Pulse width to get the same picture. Confirm, confirm. Go back, store B trigger. High voltage on, once here and there. Set the output voltage. I use now 8. And now I give one shock. And you see now we get a very nice picture. And what we see here is this is the beginning of our TDR. The impulse is moving, nothing is different to the health picture, but at the end we get a flash over. We create a 0 ohm resistance fault by a flash over by the high voltage, and 0 ohm resistance means in TDR measurings that the curve goes down to 0, to minus. And we're divided into two curves. This is our point where our cable fault is. Okay, that's it for pre-location. After we get all the informations, we can discharge again. still discharging. Okay, and then we go back to the main menu. The next step is now pinpointing. Pinpointing means we give a very big shot into our cable, into our fault. We get a flash over and we detect the sound of the flash over by a digiphone. So remember the last voltage we adjust, we used 8 kV. Do the same now. High voltage on, the green button. System is preparing now. Okay. You see, red light is on, high voltage. In the first, we can select now our set voltage. We say 8 kV. The second is we set our timer. Timer means we have an automatic or manual mode. In automatic mode, this is the time delay between the shots. So it's 5 seconds. In this special case, to reach the maximum value, we must adjust this to 6 or 7 seconds. For that we have to confirm, set timer. It's becoming yellow. Now we can adjust the timer, confirm, and we go back. To start automatic surging, we can do it here. Then every 7 seconds we will give a shot, or we can do it by hand, single pulse. That is, when we confirm on this button, we give only one shot. So let's try it. One shot. You see the discharge and charging again the capacitor, and system is now waiting for the next impulse, or we can do it by automatic. And now every 7 seconds automatic we will give a shot. Now we have to go out with the digiphone to the point where our PDR or archifaction mode says that there is our failure, approximately 100 meters, 1 kilometer or more, and a little about 50 meters before our value we should start with our pinpointing, so that we are moving to our fault. Because if we are start behind our failure, it's possible that we move away, and so we cannot find the fault. Okay, and to switch off the system, switch it off here or directly here. That's it for pre-location and pinpoint.